Hello everybody, this is Yousef once again. I coming to your home, and this time we're gonna make a chicken curry, which is a very nice food and is originally is Indian. Mostly they use it in India, Pakistan, even Japanese food. This one is my version or Persian version. I learned that from my wife, and we're gonna use about 2 pounds of chicken. I use Thai and tender breast, which is going to be, you can use any part of chicken as far as there is no bone. And need 2 onion, 1 chopped and diced, sliced it, and the other one is in 4 pieces. Then I have oil. I do have 5 tablespoons of curry, hot curry, and 5 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 of teaspoon chili powder, and half a teaspoon coriander, and a little bit of saffron. Okay, stop here. I forgot completely when I went over the ingredients. It's a mushroom, which is very essential. The reason that I forgot because it's going at the end, and it's about like a 450 gram of mushroom, sliced mushroom, or 16 ounces. And I'm going to show you when is the time for it. Now we go back to the program. Now what I'm going to do is starting with sauteing the onion. Going to just put it in a pot. Okay, as soon as the onion get the turn to translucent and just a little bit brown, it's a time to add this chicken to it and saute with them a little bit. Also, it's a time to add some of my spices. Usually, because we like this to be really spicy, we used to put 1 whole serrano pepper into that also. It's up to you if you wanted to add it or not. So if you don't want it, don't do it. Or if you even don't want it to be that hot, even you don't have to put the chili pepper. Now this is something that my wife makes it when we have a gathering and we have a guest, because they requested this food, and as I said, that's how I learned it from her, and that's her version of making a curry chicken. So now after a little bit of this been saute, I guess it's enough to add the water. It's a cover that and let it cook for about maybe 45 to 1 hour, less or more, as long as it cooks. Then meanwhile, when I do that, then I'm gonna make the sauce, the actual curry sauce for it. And you're gonna see that how to do also. Okay, while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna make this curry sauce. Put some oil, about a 5 or 6 tablespoon oil, and when it gets hot, we're gonna add curry powder and flour into the oil, and we're gonna stir it not to get burned. And it's takes about maybe 3-4 minutes. Okay, you have to constantly stirring it, because otherwise it's gonna burn or it gets bitter if you don't do that. So It's very important to just as soon as the color changed, and you have to turn the heat and put it aside, wait till mix it with the chicken. Okay, this is a good time, and that's enough. Okay, I think the chicken are cooked almost, and taking it off of the pan, putting it aside to get cold, and then later on I'm going to take it off of the bone, and this is at this time which we should add curry to the water, to the juice right here. I let them get cold and take the bone off, and here is the time to put the curry into the broth. Okay, and when it gets mixed completely, so just trying to melt everything together. Okay, here's the time to add the mushroom also, and it might need a little bit of water, which I'm going to add to it because it seems it's very heavy right now. Okay, we debone the chicken right here, and cut them into pieces. Alright, it's all deboned, and we wait till it's a time to put it in a pot. Okay, it's the chicken isn't cut and it's ready to add it to the pot, and here's the time for it that we're gonna do. Also, this is the time to add a little bit of saffron for the taste and a color, mostly the taste. Now we're gonna wait about 10 to 15 more minutes, then it's done and ready. This is the time also, it's very optional, that you can add a touch of lime or lemon, not too much. Again, it's not something, is a part of ingredients. Again, it is my wife ingredients, the whole thing, that's what she does, and this is only hers, no one else's. If somebody claims, it's wrong. That's the only chicken curry that is made this way, and it belongs to my wife. Okay, here we are. We're all done, and we're gonna garnish it with a little bit of the cilantro, and we serve it with the basmati rice. And I really thank you for watching my kitchen, and appreciate that, and see you next time. Probably I'm gonna do another curry, but in my version, which is going to be with the lamb. And again, till next time, thank you very much. Bye.